بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am here to teach you a topic number line. Therefore, take out page 23 and have a look on book. Students, if you remember in previous lecture 15, I told you about the number line. Look at the book. This is number line. It starts from 0. At the right side of the 0 in this line are positive numbers, and look at this 0. From this 0 to the left side are negative numbers. Look at the midpoint 0. These are positive and these are negative numbers. Negative numbers decreasing numbers. Negative numbers are decreasing numbers. Mean to say that -1 is greater than -2 and -2 is less than -1. Same like this, -3 is less than -2 but -2 is greater than -3. And the numbers are decreasing. Same like this, -10 is less than -1. Therefore, when it starts from -1, the numbers are going to decrease. And from the right side, these numbers are not decreasing, these numbers are increasing. 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, and the 10 is greater number here. Now today we will start example 16, a new topic, a new example. Look here, Ahmed's obtained marks in different subjects in class 2 are given as English 35 marks, Urdu 15 marks, Maths 45 marks, Science 33 marks, General Knowledge 42. How can Ahmed shows his detailed marks on the number line? Turn the page and open page number 24. Look at the solution. Look at the sequence of Ahmed's obtained marks in each subject. Look, English 35, Mathematics 45, General Knowledge 42, Urdu 15 and Science 33. Look at the number line. This is number line and this is the midpoint 0. From here to the right sides are positive numbers and from 0 to the right side are negative numbers. Therefore, all the marks of Ahmed are positive, not negative. Therefore, we will point out the marks, Ahmed's marks, in positive numbers, not in negative numbers. Now look at this point, the black mark. These are Urdu marks. Now we will count each point, each mark. Look at this, this is 10, then another point is 11, then 12, then 13, 14, and the black mark is up to 15. In Urdu, Ahmad's marks are 15. Therefore, it is marked on black color. Now look at the science marks. Ahmad got 33 marks in science. Now look here, this is the 30 point. After 30 is 31, then 32, and this black short mark is up to 33. Another big black mark after 33 is 34 and then 35. In English, Ahmad got 35 marks. Now look at general knowledge marks. This point is of 40 marks, and then he got 42 marks in general knowledge. We will increase 2 marks more, 40, then 41, 42. The remaining subject is mathematics. In mathematics, Ahmad got 45 marks. We will count after 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and the black big mark is 45. So we show all the marks and subject names in this number line. Student, you should practice on it in your rough copy. Draw a number line and write your subject's name and marks which you got in last year. Come to the activity. Take a sheet of paper and write down the ages of your family members. Then show their ages on the number line. Students, here you will write 5 names of your family members, and here you will write their ages in numbers. Like number 1 is done for you. Rehan is 8 years old. So he wrote the Rehan name is written here, and in front its age, his age is written here. Therefore, open page 24 and be ready quickly. Take out page 24. Now have a look on book. Exercise 1F. We are going to start exercise 1F. Look at the first question. Write the missing number on number line. Student, as you know, this is number line. Look, the midpoint of the number line is 0 point and it is written for you. And the missing boxes will you fill. Okay? The missing boxes just. Now we are going to start. After 0 to the right side, what number comes? Which one number comes after 0 to the right side? 1. Yes, very good. In this box you will write 1, and these are positive numbers. What? Positive numbers. Very good. After 0, 1. Then 2. 2 is written already. After 2, what comes after 2? Yes, 3. And then what comes after 3? 4. Yes, you will write in this box 4. And after 4 is 5. You will write here in this box 5. And the last number here is 6. Very good. Now come to the left side from the 0. Now look here. Which number come here? Which number will come here? Here -1, because these are negative numbers. You will write here -1. Then -2. Minus 3 is written already for you. Minus 4. Then minus 5. Very good. Question number 2. Islamabad is 2000 meters above the sea level. Murree is 2300 meters. Natia Gali is 2600 meters and Quetta is 1700 meters above the sea level. The question is, how can you show the sea levels of different cities on the number line? Students, look at this number line. You will fill this number line in the book from the question. Now students, I have done question number 2 for you. Look here, to teach you better, I wrote each number on number line. Look at this point, it is the midpoint. From here, each point is of 100 meter. Look here, your scale is written here. This is your scale. Each small line is equal to 100 m. Look at, we will count the points, the small marks up to each point. Okay, now start it. 100, 200, 300, 400. The big mark is up to 500. Then 600, 700, 800, 900. And look at this big mark is of 1000. I mark it with red color. Draw an arrow on this mark and write the number from 0 to this point is 1000. Now start again from 1000. 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, and the big mark is 1500, means 1500. Then 1600 and 1700. Look at this point. I mark it with red arrow. Look, Quetta is 1700 meter above. So therefore I mark it with red and write here 1700 and then name, city name right here, Quetta. Now after this we will count 1700, then 1800, 1900 and 2000. This mark red arrow, this mark with red arrow is up to 2000. And Islamabad is above up to 2000 meter from the sea level. Go forward. After 2000 is 2100, 2200, 2300. Look here, Murree is 2300 meter above from the sea level. So it is also marked with red arrow. After this 2300, 2400, 2500 and 2600. Look, this is 2600. It is marked on 2600 and Natia Gali is above from the sea level up to 2600 meter. Now look at students, you will write each mark and the city name and follow it and complete your question number 2 in book. Come to question number 3. Open page number 25. Look at question 3. Show the numbers given below on the number line. Look at students, there are 5 numbers. A is 25, B is minus 13, C is minus 25, D 5, E 18. Students, you will draw a number line and then you will write these numbers on each mark. Therefore, I want to write this question on board. So, follow the board. Now, students, have a look on board for question number 3. Look at the question. Show the numbers given below on the number line. A is 25, B minus 13, C minus 24, D 5, E 18. Now look at the number line. I have drawn number line for you. Look at the 0 point, and from 0 to the right sides are the points. From 0 up to 10 are 10 points, and each mark is big mark to another big mark. In between there are 10 points. Now we will start from the 0. We will count the marks, small marks. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 5, the mark is D. D is on 5th mark. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. E is on 18. Now 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. A is on 25. It means alphabet D, E, A is on positive number on the right side, and look here to the left side. We will start from minus 10, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. Point B is on minus 13. Then minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18, minus 19, minus 20. Then minus 21, 22, minus 22, minus 23 and minus 24. Point C is on minus 24. Students, I hope you will follow the board and you will draw neatly the number line in your neat notebook. This is your homework. You will write this question in your neat notebook. Have a look on book. Students, look question number 4. Question number 4 is Ahmad's maths teacher conducted a surprise class test. She drew the number line on board and showed the result of each student on the number line. She asked the students to read the number line and write the result. Student, this number line is already given to you, and the names are also written, and on number line the marks are the result. Therefore, you will just write the names of the students and you will write their result in front of each name. I am going to draw this on board. You will follow me and you will complete your number line and the result in your neat notebooks. Okay students, I have done question 3 on board. You will follow question 3 and you will write in neat notebooks neatly. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.